issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Golden Gate or near Howland Point, moving east at 35 miles
And welcome back. You're listening to the
30 miles per hour
of wisdom.
Quarter-size
Coming up this
source. Radar indicated. Impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Prince Frederick, Greenwell State Park, St. Leonard Creek, Couple Creek, Down Creek, Sheridan Point, Flag Harbor, Calvert Cliff, California, Luxby, St. Leonard, Hollywood, Drum Point, Long Beach, Calvert Beach, Port Republic, Morganza, Gallant, and Hillville. For your protection, you move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Middlesex County in eastern Virginia, King and Queen County in east central Virginia, northwestern Northumberland County in eastern Virginia, Richmond County in east central Virginia, northwestern New Kent County in east central Virginia, Westmoreland County in east central Virginia, east central Caroline County in north central Virginia, southeastern Hanover County in central Virginia, King William County in east central Virginia, Essex County in east central Virginia, western Lancaster County in eastern Virginia, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from King George to near Loretto to near Illet, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Champlain, Loretto, and Leedstown around 6:10 p.m. King William around 6:15 p.m. Colonial Beach, Doolin, Stephenville, and Miller's Tavern around 6:20 p.m. Montrose and King and Queen Courthouse around 6:25 p.m. Warsaw, Center Cross, and Dunsville around 6:30 p.m. Hague around 6:35 p.m. Jamaica, Kinsale, Coles Point, Sharps, and Churchview around 6:40 p.m. Robley, Maratico, and Lewis City around 6:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Beasley, Kariaman Landing, Lotsburg, Three-Way, Cohogue, Belle Isle State Park, Rose Garden, Bisco, Liels, and Crouch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Montgomery, and Prince George's, and the following counties, in Virginia, Arlington, and Fairfax. Flood warning in effect until 10:45 p.m. this evening replaces flash flood warning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include portions of D.C., Central Maryland, and Northern Virginia, including the following counties, in D.C., District of Columbia, in Central Maryland, Montgomery, and Prince George's, in Northern Virginia, Arlington, and Fairfax. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 10:45 p.m. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details, at 6:26 p.m., Emergency Management reported heavy rain in the warned area due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Arlington, Bethesda, College Park, Langley Park, Bladensburg, Fort Totten, University of Maryland, Potomac, Hyattsville, Tacoma Park, East Riverdale, Adelphi, Chevy Chase, Riverdale Park, Martin's Additions, North Chevy Chase, Friendship Village, American University, Georgetown, Silver Spring, http://www.weather. Governor/safety flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Middlesex County in eastern Virginia, east central King and Queen County in east central Virginia, Northumberland County in eastern Virginia, southeastern Richmond County in east central Virginia, southeastern Westmoreland County in east central Virginia, southeastern Essex County in east central Virginia, Lancaster County in eastern Virginia.
An Oreo blizzard.
41 p.m.
I'm gonna come back with this.
Storms were located along a line extending from near Coles Point to Farnham to Jamaica, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, extending from near Coles Point to Farnham to Jamaica, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, severe thunderstorms will be near Carroll, Rodley, and Kinsale around 6:45 p.m. Kinsale around 6:50 p.m. From near Coles Point to Farnham around 6:55 p.m. Kilmarnock around 7 p.m. Wicklow Orchard around 7:05 p.m. Airport around 7:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Reardon, Plattsburgh, Freeway, Avalon, Brookville, Bertrand, Bell, Isle State Park, Millenbeck, and West Nolan. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Millenbeck and Westmoreland. Morning is canceled. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield. VA. Until 9 p.m. for southern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters. The severe thunderstorm warning for east central. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Chesapeake Ranch Estates to near Hague, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Leonardtown, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Inigo's Creek, St. Mary's City, St. George Island, Down Creek, St. Mary's River, White Point Beach, California, Sunset River Naval Air Station, Drill Point, Valley Lee, Scotland, Great Mills, Drayton, St. Inigo's, Park Hall, and Dalaran. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe